In this video, I'll be showing you how to make simple yet effective tamarind face masks with just 3 simple ingredients that you can easily make at home. This mask is packed with skin-loving ingredients that will help brighten, soften, and rejuvenate your skin. So if this is what you're interested on, please keep watching and let's continue. So that's our tamarind right there. Tamarind in my language, we call it samia. So if today is your first time viewing this channel, please do well to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you very much for always sticking to this channel. So this tamarind, I'm just going to rinse it like this hot water, because you know tamarind, like, it's go through a lot of process of drying. It have dust, and the dust stick to the tamarind because it's kind of you know how tamarind is. So I've rinsed it, and then here I'm soaking it in hot water. This boiling water. So I soak it. We are going to leave it for some minutes to soak. So the benefits of this tamarind face mask is that it will exfoliate your skin. It will help in removing dead skin cells from your skin, and then it will brighten your skin also. If you have dull skin and you are using this tamarind face mask on your face like 3 times a week, you will notice a brighter complexion. It will also hydrate and soften your skin if you are suffering from all this very hard dry skin. Then this will help to soften your skin, and then it will leave it hydrated. Again, it will reduce acne and blemishes on your face. It have natural antibacterial property, and then it will improve your skin texture. Like, for some of us that our skin is kind of rough, it's not smooth, this face mask will help to smoothen your face and improve your overall skin appearance. So right here I'm just trying to get the concentrated tamarind juice. I'm not using hand gloves. That's the reason why I didn't mesh it with my hands, but then even like this is okay. We're just going to use it like that. So after that, I'm just going to remove the tamarind sticks, and then we'll continue with the rest of the ingredient. Though it's just 3 ingredients, very, very easy and effective. So our next ingredient will be milk. We are using powdered milk. If you have yogurt, feel free to use it. It's also replaceable in this formula, like you can totally use it. So we use powdered milk in this. You know what milk does? It helps to give us glass skin. Like, the one thing I can say with milk in face masks is that it helps in giving glass skin. Like, it helps to tighten your face due to lactic acid present in the milk. It helps to tighten the face and just kind of gradually give you glass skin. So I love milk in production. Then our next ingredient is honey. This is raw honey. Honey is very, very good when you are suffering from dark spots, dull skin, and then active pimples or blemishes on the face. So honey that you see is very, very beneficial. Even if you are using only honey on your face, it will work wonders. Just find a good honey and then use it. So that is all. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.